So, what's the plan?
You say, it's your birthday today. Where do you want to go?
Any place is fine as long as.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Any place is fine as long as. As long as.
As long as we are together.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, beta. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mom.
Had breakfast?
Having it right now.
Do it quickly, otherwise you'll be late for office.
Don't worry about it. I'll be on time. How's everything at home?
Everything is fine here. Do you remember Saroj auntie?
Your friend?
Yes. Her daughter was engaged yesterday. Me and your dad went to her event yesterday.
Wow, that's great.
She was so happy. Both of them are working in the same office also. Isn't it wonderful?
It is.
Your dad was worried about you.
He already did enough, okay? Tell him to stop worrying now.
Why are you saying like that? He did what was good for you.
I was 13, Mom. Do you want to start this now? On my birthday?
Beta, it would have been worse if he didn't.
Mom, wait a minute. Shishti?
What? What did you say?
No, nothing. I'm just getting a call from my colleague.
I'm sure I heard Shristi. Tell me the truth.
No, Mom. I said Sakshi, not Shishti.
If it's getting worse, you tell us, alright? But do not talk to them.
Everything is under control, Mom. I have to leave. Bye. Hello.
Happy birthday!
Thanks.
Are you asleep or what? Show some energy, it's your birthday.
I know I'm just not in a good mood.
Wait a minute, Anamika also wants to wish. Happy birthday!
Thanks.
Why didn't you receive my call? I saw you were online.
I know I was telling it to Shishti also. I'm not in a good mood today.
Why? What happened? Is it related to that man from work? That man?
No. I had a nightmare and some argument with my mom.
No, you fumbled. It is about that man. I know, you cannot hide it from us.
Well, what can I say now?
Don't say anything. Just tell us the whole story when we'll meet today. Hello? You there?
Yes, yeah.
We are meeting, right?
No, we can't meet today.
But you promised. You haven't met us since last year.
Yes, but that was my final year. And you know about my parents. They don't like you both. If they'll find out that... He's here.
What? Who?
You know.
Lakshya.
Yes. He's coming towards me. What should I do?
What will you do? It's your birthday. He should wish you.
How will he know? We never talked with each other.
Well, neither he tried, nor did you.
I can't do it.
You there? Hello?
Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Hey,
Oh, hi.
Amisha, right?
Yes.
I guess we work in the same office, isn't it?
Yeah, we are. I sit in the second floor.
Yeah, I know. I've seen you. Actually, I joined recently.
3 months ago, right?
Yeah, correct.
Oh yeah, I saw you too. I mean, in the station.
Is it? Well, if you don't mind, can we go for a coffee later in the evening? If that's okay with you?
Sure, why not? How about a restaurant? Anyway, it's my birthday
How
today.
can she do that? She's betraying us.
Oh my god, why are you still here?
Sorry? Is there a problem?
No. I'm not talking to you.
Tell him you can't go. You're meeting us today.
I'm not meeting you today, understood?
Hey, listen. If you have any problem going out with me, then just say it.
But you promised.
You there? Hello? Hello?
Oh god, shit! I missed my train.
Where were you? I was literally shouting for a minute.
Don't know what's happening.
You know we can help, right? Just meet us for once.
Okay, fine. Let's meet. Three cups coffee, please.
Wow, look who showed up finally. Forever alone girl.
Yeah, it's been so long. Also, it's my birthday today.
It's our birthday, don't you think? Oh, look, she even ordered coffee for us. So tell us, why your mood is off?
It's really nothing. I guess there was so much of workload recently, so that's the reason.
No, she doesn't want to tell.
Yes, she doesn't.
Why are you saying like this?
You're just reciting things you want to show, not what you actually feel. Now tell us the truth.
I'm not able to socialize with others. Whenever I think about going and interacting with someone, I look at their qualities, all so perfect with their skills. And here I am.
Sitting with us, doing nothing, isn't it?
If you know about everything, then why are you bothering me?
Can't you see? You're just repeating what we were telling you since last 10 years. All you ever did was just study and nothing. We told you many times to come with us for other activities, but you didn't.
I tried. But Dad, he sent me away. You know very well where did he send me. And when I returned from there, I was focused for an IIT. You know, it's not an easy one to crack.
Yes, and you didn't.
That's because I went through a lot. Therapy and all. Still, I managed to get into a good college.
And now a good job with eternal loneliness? That's what your parents think, right?
I'm trying. I'm trying to make more friends. But they are all so different. But at least I've got both of you.
And yet you ignored us. Why?
That was necessary. Otherwise, Dad wouldn't have let me finish my degree.
And that's where the problem lies. It's not your fault. It's your father's. Only if he hadn't put so much of pressure on his only child, things would have been different. You could have been more.
Like you two?
We are just a reflection of your desires. You can never be like us. Accept it and stop being sad.
It's not the sadness. It's just regrets from the past.
What's happened, happened. Regret won't justify it. You have to live it now.
And you're forgetting one aspect here.
What?
You can live better alone. Haven't you noticed till now? You have been living like this since high school and still doing it. It's your uniqueness and your ability, which is rare nowadays.
Yes, look at us also. We are together since you know when. And we are happy as long as
We are together?
Right. But that's not the case with you. You're not dependent on anyone for your happiness. You can enjoy yourself. And that's rare.
Yes. Not everybody can live the way I live. Thank you guys. I'm feeling much better now.
See, that's why we wanted to be with you. And we made a promise at the beginning, remember?
To care for each other. I know. Sorry, you guys. It was my family. I was afraid, what if others will find out about us?
Oh, can't you see, dear? The world has changed now. Look around. They all are same now. They are not different. They are all alone. They all find peace in their own virtual world, just like you. So do what makes you happy and forget about others.
So, what will you do now?
I'm thinking about going and watching a movie. It's been years since I went to the theatre.
With whom? Oh, let me guess.
Alone?